Schönbrunn Palace was originally built in the Middle Ages as a farm, and over the years has been used as a country estate, a hunting lodge, and eventually a summer palace for the Habsburgs. The Habsburgs took over the property in 1569, and it was rethought by an architect and reconstructed starting in 1693. In the mid-1700s, Emperor Charles VI gifted the property to his daughter Maria Teresa, who turned it into what it is today. A palatial summer residence with extensive gardens, imperial apartments, grand ballrooms, and a theater. Maria Teresa had a number of famous children, including Marie Antoinette. Mozart played at Schönbrunn when he was a child, and there are plenty of other famous events that happened there over the years. After Maria Theresa's death, Schönbrunn was occupied on and off over the years, and even Napoleon lived in it 2 different times. The line for the palace can get very long, but you can walk around the grounds and in the garden for free. We were on a group tour, so we were able to skip the line, which was very nice. I definitely recommend that. The first time I was at Schönbrunn, there was a private event inside the palace, so it actually was closed. It really seemed upsetting at the time, but we were able to walk around the grounds and garden with no other people around, which was so nice and really special. The second time we went there, this time, there were so many people and not as special as that first time. I recommend you should definitely carve out some time walking around the gardens because they are as impressive, if not more impressive, than the palace itself. If you're in Vienna, Schönbrunn Palace is one of the top 2 or 3 things you should definitely not miss. It is beautiful and historic and will tell you so much about the history of Austria, Vienna, and the families who have lived there over the centuries.